Hello everyone. Uh, this is the first lecture of the course. So in this lecture, we will discuss about the course structure and outline. So Power BI desktop. Now, if you are looking for a hands-on project-based approach to learn business intelligence, you have come to the right place. In this course, we will help you in learning Power BI from scratch. My mission is design and execute end-to-end business intelligence solution from scratch and getting through the end and out of the Power BI and sharing the crystal clear explanation and helpful pro tips each time of my way. And journey begins with the introduction to Power BI desktop and then transition through each phase of the business intelligence workflow. We will begin by connecting and shaping our source data with Power BI and query editing. Then we will explore the concept like cardinality, normalization, and filter tech content as we build out full scale data model from the calculative columns and measure using data analysis expressions and take the things to the finish line by designing dynamic and interactive report using the Power BI as a visualization tool.